A ton of you requested it, I did it. Genesis Supreme Ragen 280CR. 4,000 watt generator, 1 AC, big pass-through storage, and a huge power awning. Keep in mind, this fifth wheel toy hauler fits every single 4-seat side-by-side. CanAm X3, the all-new Razor 1000, etc. How does it do it? It's sleek design of the kitchen. You get the bar counter space rather than oven and cabinets, so that way you do not need to strap the suspension together. You can just simply squeeze it in there. Now, that does come with sacrifices, and that sacrifice is kitchen storage. Now, you do have overhead areas to put pots, pans, riding gear above the cabinets on the passenger side or camping side, as well as inside the kitchen. And you do get a deeper 12-volt refrigerator, but you're missing out on a lot of the kitchen cabinetry that folks do love about certain toy hauler brands. But is the sacrifice worth it? Let me know in the comments section below. Now, as we go up, the most impressive part of this floor plan is, yes, it has a walk-around queen bed, but look at the space in between the queen bed and the wall. You're not sliding your booty across there. So I thought that was really cool that they gave you so much space in the bedroom. Now, you do lose a wardrobe closet. As you can tell, there's only one area to do hangable clothes, but you still get overhead storage above the bed and under the bed. Now, with the bigger bedroom comes the sacrifice of a smaller bathroom. So you don't have that large shower, you have a corner shower like you normally do in a lot of the travel trailer toy hauler floor plans. However, with that sacrifice, you also get more chicken wing space around the toilet. By the way, if you look in the top right-hand corner, you'll see another toy hauler walkthrough.